Yes, hello viewers, welcome back for my next episode. That's as I told you. In today's channel is where we will be learning many things. So today again I would love to introduce you into one of the most crucial aspects in life, that one that you cannot go without is called the Microsoft Excel. This Microsoft Excel is one of the most vital part of the computer that always handle works like to do with the accounting. When you're working in the accounting offices, you'll have to deal with the things to do with Microsoft Excel, arranging or computing all the calculation involving business. It's always aligned in form of Excel. So it's Excel. You want to go to Excel, you come to this chart bar. Here you type in your Microsoft Excel. You just type Excel. You see this one, it just brought it in. Now you click on it. When you click on it, it will open up. Now since it's a new workspace, it brings you, computer is very funny and it can bring you anything. So this one, it just brought for us the blank workbook. So if you, in case you're having any task that you're going to crack, you will just click on this, the blank workspace. Now in this blank workspace, we have many things. In this icon, you're seeing all the alternative. If you come to like home here, you can see all software you can board, you can do what, analyze all the effects you can apply in. Now when we come onto this one, this place here is what we call the cell reference. The cell reference is where you always get the naming of the cells. Now here, what we are seeing like assign alphabetical letters. These are what we call the rows. These are rows. Then we have the one that has been assigned numerical numbers 1 2 3 continuously. This one is called the column. Let me say in short, the horizontal is called the rows, then the vertical one is called the column. Now if you are to see, this one is in form of cells. Now you see this cell which is bolded, like which is having some sort of green line over it, is showing that this one is the active cell. Now here, this space here you are seeing is what we call the formula bar. So in case you are computing any work here, the formula that you will generate will come, you will be showing up here. Like let me say, try to enter something here. I can enter, like let me see, I will enter things to do with, let me see, math MTC, and then I create here English. Then I try to enter something into it, let me say 50, then here I have 80. Let me say here I make total. Then in total, I can come into this total, write equal sign, open your bracket, open the bracket. Before you open your bracket, equal sign, sum, you write the sum, open the bracket. When you open the bracket, you write which cell and which cells are you computing. You're writing, we are writing C A 2 we are computing cell A plus cell this one we are computing, dear and viewers. Here we're writing a cell A2. Let me see. A2 plus B2, B2, close your bracket, enter. If you have to see, now this is the total. If you come here, what's the formula? What have you used? You can see here they are showing to you that you have used some. That's what we mean by computing work. You know, in this thing you can do anything. You can even create sheet like nothing. If you want to add more workspace, you can come and click. You see this one has added more. You can create as many as possible, just as you feel like. So this one, my dear viewers, as you can see, the working is just something very nice. If you have to use this one, now you can come and do anything. You can format your table, you can do anything, conditional formatting, you can even insert what you feel like inserting in this. So you know, Microsoft Excel is something very vital. And don't forget, always when you are cracking your work, you make sure you do the saving, and here is where you always save your work from. You can press save using Ctrl plus S or Ctrl S. Your work will be saved. So my lovely viewers, I'm just trying to introduce you into this Microsoft Excel. So next time we meet, we'll go straight to the real working that I will be dropping just immediately after this one. So tap into your notification button so that when that very vital part come, you will just be notified on it automatically. Don't even forget to subscribe into this channel in case you have not yet subscribed, and drop me your comments so that I get to know your preferences, and share it with your friend. My dear lovely viewers, thank you for giving me your moment. I love you all.